Hello everyone. This video is about food allergy symptoms. What causes food allergy and anaphylaxis? Food allergy is an immune system reaction that occurs soon after eating a certain food. Even a tiny amount of the allergy causing food can trigger signs and symptoms. The symptoms include digestive problems, hives or swollen airways. In some people, it causes severe symptoms or even a life-threatening reaction known as anaphylaxis. Food allergy affects 6 to 8% of children under age 3 and up to 5% of adults. While there is no cure, some children outgrow their food allergy as they get older. It's easy to confuse a food allergy with a much more common reaction known as food intolerance. While bothersome, food intolerance is a less serious condition that does not involve the immune system. What are food allergy symptoms? Food allergy symptoms usually develop within a few minutes to 2 hours after eating the food. The most common food allergy signs and symptoms include number 1, tingling or itching in the mouth, number 2, hives, itching or eczema, number 3, swelling of the lips, face, tongue, and throat or other parts of the body, number 4, wheezing, nasal congestion or trouble breathing, number 5, abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting, number 6, dizziness, lightheadedness or fainting. In some people, a severe life-threatening food allergy reaction or anaphylaxis occurs. Here are symptoms of anaphylaxis. Number 1, constriction and tightening of the airways. Number 2, swollen throat or the sensation of a lump in your throat that makes it difficult to breathe. Number 3, shock with a severe drop in blood pressure. Number 4, rapid pulse. Number 5, dizziness, lightheadedness, or loss of consciousness. Emergency treatment is critical for anaphylaxis. It can cause a coma or even death. What causes food allergies? In food allergies, the immune system treats a specific protein or substance in a food as a harmful substance or pathogen. The immune system responds by producing antibodies to attack this protein. When that same food is eaten next time, the antibodies can cause the immune system to react immediately. The immune system releases histamine and other substances into the bloodstream, which cause the symptoms of food allergies. Histamine causes blood vessels to dilate and the skin to become inflamed or swollen. It also affects the nerves, making the person feel itchy. The nose may produce more mucus, resulting in itching, burning, and a streaming nose. What are the most common foods that cause food allergy? Number 1, shellfish, such as shrimp, lobster, and crab. The most common trigger of a shellfish allergy is a protein called tropomyosin. It can be fatal and anaphylaxis can also occur. Number 2, peanuts. Like a tree nut allergy, peanut allergies are very common. Peanut allergy can cause severe and potentially fatal reactions. Those with peanut allergies are often also allergic to tree nuts. Peanut allergies affect around 4 to 8% children and 1 to 2% of adults. Number 3, tree nuts such as walnuts and pecans. These affects around 1% of the US population. Number 4, fish. Fish allergies are common and affect around 2% adults. Unlike other allergies, it's not uncommon for a fish allergy to surface later in life, with 40% of people developing the allergy as an adult. A fish allergy can cause a serious and potentially fatal allergic reaction, and anaphylaxis can also occur. In children, Food allergies are commonly triggered by proteins in following foods. Number 1. Cow's milk. Cow's milk allergy mostly affects children under the age of 3, especially when they are exposed to cow's milk before they are 6 months old. It affects 2 to 3% infants and toddlers. Number 2. Eggs. Egg allergy is the second most common food allergy in children. It is possible to be allergic to egg whites but not the yolks, and vice versa. The proteins in egg whites and egg yolks differ slightly. The most of the proteins that trigger an allergy are found in egg whites, so an egg white allergy is more common. Number 3. Peanuts. Peanut allergies affect around 4 to 8% children and can be potentially fatal. Number 4. Tree nuts such as walnuts and pecans. Number 5. Wheat. Wheat allergy can be severe and sometimes even fatal. It affects mostly the children under age 10. It is often confused with the celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Number 6. Soy. Soy allergy affects infants and children under 3. That is it guys for today's video. Please give it thumbs up and share it with others. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks.